Hi, starting with version 0.1.25, the Harvest CSI Driver supports violent snapshots, which can provide point-in-time backup and restore capability for workload running on the guest cluster. And one important thing is the host Harvest should be 1.7 or later. Okay, and next is a quick demo for it. First, we need to confirm the CSI driver is 0.1.25 or later to have this balance nature capability. Okay, then next we can try the balance nature. Okay. So first, I'm going to create this PVC called its name is FS4 in the as file system mode. Okay, so after this, if we check the range UI, we can find this PVC is created and bounded. Okay. Then next, I'm going to create a new part and mount this PVC to this point, this path. Okay, so in the range UI, we can find a path is under creating. Okay, now the path is running. We can enter into it. Okay. So first, we can see the PVC is mounted into this path. And next, I'm going to write some data into it so we can check the data integrity after the snapshot install. Okay. Okay. After I roll the data, I'm going to delete this part. Okay, now the part is deleted. Okay, so next I'm going to create a violent snapshot from the PVC we just operated. Okay, after this, in the UI we can find uh, we can find a snapshot called snapshot vs fs voice created and ready. Okay. Then next, I'm going to create a new PVC called restore fs4. Its source is from the violent snapshot we just created. Okay. If we back to the range UI, we can find the restore PVC is created and bound. Okay. Then next, I'm going to create a new part. It attach the source and the restore PVC to these mount points. Okay, so and in the UI we can find this new part is under creation. Okay, the new part is created, so we can enter into it. First, check mount point. We mount the source PVC and the restore PVC. And the next, we are going to check the data integrity. We can find the source PVC and the restore PVC has the same data. So we successfully use the Valence snapshot to create a snapshot backup, and restore it and check the data integrity as expected. So from Harvester CSI Driver version 0.1.25, we can support such capability. Okay, thank you.